Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the Tuesday 17th of August 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. So let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig straight to the three major currency pair, Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD and if you look at the 4-hour chart, and we had this pattern, so we were expecting a pullback here, and technically I said to my trader, look for this valid trade here, breakout trade, and we had this beautiful breakout, and we had such a nice beautiful short trade and bank beautiful pips. And let me share with you how I analyze in intraday and help my traders to squeeze beautiful pips today. If you look at the intraday analysis, this is the analysis I did at the Asian session. As you can see here, explain to my trader that this is the pattern we are looking at breakouts, and in intraday this is what I did. It says if the price is going to break previous high, recent high or recent low, then we're going to take a trade here. So you can see here price nicely broken the recent low, that's what we explained, and later on you can see momentum develop bearish and price nicely hit to the first target and the final target and the fib channel. If you look at in 4-hour, price nicely hit to the daily and monthly support level, and that's what we explained to trader. It's time to enjoying pipping. So we had such a beautiful short trade on Euro USD. Let me share with you the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a very interesting trade. We were short whole day since last night from yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, watch that video. Link is given in the video description. So in 4-hour, as I said to you yesterday, at the price developed a double top here. We have a bearish engulfing candle and price nicely broke on this one, and we were taking a short trade here. Our target was this support level. Even interestingly, price broke on this one, and we just keep taking a short trade here. Most of the traders were expecting the mic going to reverse. I said, guys, we're going to trade what we see it in intraday. It's not about what we think. So that's we had it. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and bank beautiful profit. So if you look at the pound dollar, let me share with you the intraday analysis. And if you look at this is the analysis I did at the Asian session to explain, because when I see the opportunity I broadcast and let my traders to know. So this is the analysis. As you can see here, this was the breakout in a 4-hour, and that's I analyze it here, guys. This is what you need to do. If the price is going to break this level or this level, then we're going to be taking a short trade here or long trade here based on the which price is going to break. So you can see here price nicely broken. Even after the price broken, that retest, that's give us another confirmation. Price nicely hit to the first target. And I also updated that analysis in the morning. I said to guys, bank some profit here and keep looking a pullback. So that's what I explain again here. You can see here beautiful, and just before London Open 740, explain trader just keep taking a pullbacks because expecting here price might gonna hit this level. So we have another beautiful short trade, bank few more pippies after that, and then I also updated because that's what exactly most of the trader was expecting. Price might going to respect this level 138,000 level and price going to shoot up. I said, guys, we're going to trade what we see it, not what we think. So then I did this analysis. I said to guys, don't jump into until the price is going to break this level. And as you can see here, I've pinpointed those levels, explained in details through live analysis to my traders. As you can see here, price nicely broken. But then I also mentioned based on the momentum, first priority will be the possibility is breakout short trade here. Price nicely broken, and I explained to trader look for another short trade here. So we had a beautiful short trade here and explained to my trader bank beautiful pip. So we had such a nice trade. London morning session, short trade here. And if you look at the New York session, this is what I explained to trader was expecting my gonna pull, gonna shoot up. I said to guys, look at here what happening here in intraday. And that's why I explain in more details and explain like momentum is bearish, and I explain price has broken this one after the price retested, and price, if the price gonna break this one, then we're gonna take a short trade here. If the price double bottom, then we're gonna break this, then low. I explain everything in details in live analysis. And what happened, and I also mentioned the first priority would be based on the momentum. So you can see here price nicely broken here because the previous candle was very strong bearish candle, and that's why we explained to trader, just keep taking a pullbacks, guys. You can see every time when the price developed pullback. So we had such an amazing trades on pound dollar. Keep banking beautiful pips. Okay, so dollar CAD, we had interesting trade, long trade. As you can see yesterday, we were long. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, the video link is given in the video description. At the Asian session, I explained to my trader possibility price might going to break this level or this level. Look for this breakout. So we had this nicely broken, and we will keep taking a pullback. As you can see, a price broke all the previous levels. We had such a nice long trade here, and let me share with you guys the intraday analysis. We had such a beautiful breakout long trade at the Asian session and banked beautiful pips in the London morning session. Okay, so this is the analysis. As you can see here, explained to my trader. Most of the trader was expecting price might gonna shoot down. I said, guys, trade what you see it, and that's what I did, guys. Look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful pullback. Just before, London morning session around 8 o'clock, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit and look for another pullback. And at the New York session, you can see here, after that price came back here when I mentioned to my traders it's time to bank some profit. After that, you can see as soon as it started looking red candle, I explained to my trader bank some profit, and afterwards price developed sideways market, and explained to my trader as long as the momentum is bullish, we are only interested long trade here. So either explain to me either you can keep taking a pullbacks, safest trade for the breakout. As you can see, price nicely broken sideways market, beautiful. As soon as the price hit the daily resistance level, which is 0.786 fib level in daily, and that's what I explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. And afterwards, you can see here price nicely came down. So we had such a nice beautiful long trade on dollar CAD. All right, guys, so most of the pairs, you can see most of them consider banking sub pips. We had another beautiful trade on Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar. We just keep taking a short trade here. If you look at the high time frame, if you look at the 4-hour chart, we have this pattern breakout, beautiful, and we keep taking a pullback short trade here, and we really enjoyed it. Most of the traders bank amazing, more than 100 pips today. And let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market. And if I show you here, we are short. This is the yesterday trade, guys. We were short here, and today this is the another at the Asian session. We explained to my trader look for another pullback at this level, and that's the first priority based on the momentum. You can see here beautiful pullback, a long short trade here, and afterwards another, as mentioned here, another short trade as soon as the price gonna break this level previous low. So beautiful short trade on Aussie dollar. And at the London morning session, that I explained to my trader, if the price is going to hit to the red, orange EMA, look for another short trade. Technically, we were looking another pullback. So you can see here we have another pullback, which we also announced through the live audio commentary. So we have another beautiful breakout as soon as the price broke on the previous low. Explained to trader enjoying pipping pip. So as you can see, when the price reached to the daily support level, and explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. Afterwards, you can see my price nicely came back. So we really enjoyed pipping, and that's what exactly we do every single day. Analyze in 4 hour, define the market trend, market sentiment, market buys, and refine the entries and exit in intraday, and enjoying pipping. So that's why most of my traders had an amazing day today. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned to you guys, that the most important and interesting thing is you should be watching those analyses in the real time, alongside with live audio commentary support and high time frame analysis. And another important thing is you will going to develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, and I'm definitely, I can help you guys to get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I help my traders through in real time through live intraday analysis, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. It's completely free. Even if you are experienced trader, you have seen this is purely price action trading based on the 4-hour analysis. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy, pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.